So embarrassed already. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It feels so good to be back with another video this year. Today we're going to be doing something a little bit different. I'm gonna bring you guys along of me decluttering my closet because this little apartment is bursting at the seams. I've collected so much stuff and there's so many things that I don't even wear or grab anymore. So we are going to collect some clothes to give to the Atlanta mission by way of my partner. I'm gonna post his Instagram down below so that you can also give your donations. We are collecting items through February 1st. If you don't decide to bring your items over to donate, I highly encourage you to check out your local shelter and see if they are accepting donations. It is 6:51. I go to work tomorrow. It's like, why didn't we do this earlier? But I really wanted to get a skincare video out for you guys, which I did. Hopefully you've seen it on YouTube. Give it some love if you haven't, but let me show you the state of this closet. I'm so embarrassed already. Okay guys, this is what we're working with. Everything is everywhere. Whatever we're deciding to keep, we're gonna keep in the closet, and what we don't, I have some trash bags. I have these black trash bags that I'm gonna be filling up with stuff. So let's do this together. First things first, I think I'm just gonna start over from the left-hand side here. And anything that I'll be keeping, I'm just going to hang up and we can organize later. These are some pants I got tailored, but I never wear. I don't necessarily enjoy how they fit either. So we're gonna pop these in there. Just feel like the important part of a new year is just to try to do things a little bit differently. And I'm just finding that it's a little bit too tough to get dressed in the morning, which I don't need anything else holding me up. If you know me in real life, I don't need any more things holding me up from getting dressed. The freaking button is missing or something. The cutest black cargo pants. I'm like, should I just get a button or do we say goodbye? These were some great little work pants. Let's put them to the side. Let's put them to the side. I'm like, I don't really wear these either anymore, but they're so cute. But I literally don't wear them. I'll put this in the maybe as well. Put it in the maybe. Oh, I've been looking for this skirt. And that's another thing. It's like, it makes it so hard to find things when everything is just like cluttered and has no organization. Bought this, never wore it. She is very wrinkly. It's probably why I never wore it, but hopefully someone will get some good use out of this one. Oh, I remember making this cropped blazer. It was from a thrifted blazer, but when cropped blazers were a thing, not really a part of my style anymore. Sorry, Mom, if you're watching this. This is really gonna drive her up the wall, but I will say I got my use out of this jacket. I got this jacket sometime in like high school, and I've just been still wearing it. She is cute, but donate. This vest is super cute. I'm a little bit too big for it, but it's cute. And I feel so bad about doing this, but necessary. This I bought because it was on sale. I'm like, maybe I should keep it for like a little sexy number. I haven't worn this, y'all. Going in the pile. I'm gonna hang some stuff up off camera, kind of see where we're at, and then I'll come back. All right, y'all, I'm back. It is a couple hours later. I have gotten hot, obviously. Starting to see a little bit of light at the end of the tunnel. I was able to clear one area up here And even though I have a bag full, I'm going to show you this huge ass bag of clothes that I have put in. It just feels like there's still so much in this little closet. Right now, I'm about to just show you guys just some coats. I have too many coats. So we're going to go through the coats that I've been hiding underneath my bed and get rid of more stuff. Let's do it. So I have this vacuum sealed bag of coats. I'm just going to go through and get rid of more things. These are just vacuum seal bags that I keep stored underneath my bed. These are for things that I don't reach for as often. I think I'm gonna put some of my like evening gown dresses just to free up even more space in our closet. This is a very nice dress that I bought for headshots. Tried to sell it on Depop, didn't sell, so hopefully this will be for someone's interview. Oh, I should donate this dress just because the sleeves are so tattered. What I think I'm gonna do is take my evening dresses out of the closet, put them in this little vacuum seal bag, seal it up. Good morning, guys. It is many days later with the closet reorganization. I finally stopped procrastinating and bought a different storage system for my shoe storage. I just wanted to share it with you just as a potential solution for someone else that lives in a small space like I do. I love it way much better than my previous storage system. This lovely monstrosity is what was underneath my bed, and as you imagine, there's shoes everywhere in this landing zone, which I hate. I feel like this will definitely help me get ready more efficiently and just help me to be able to see exactly what I'm wearing. I do have some extra space up here. A couple of these are for boots and just workout sneakers. But for the most part, everything will be in the closet. The only thing I don't really like about the over-the-head storage that I got is these little clips on the top. Maybe I could find some white ones, but for now, it'll work. Part of the vlog, thank you so much for watching. I hope this inspires you to do a little spring cleaning yourself, give back to the community, or like I did, partner with someone that does. If you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.